Previously on The Life of JT.
I believe there are people God puts into your lives for a reason. People who influence and shape us in big and small ways. You've been that person to me. I couldn't let this day go by without letting you know what a blessing you are.
What is up, JT Squad? We finally made it to our days off. It's been a crazy week, tiring week. I've done a lot of training this week, a lot of new employees, a lot of new hires. So that's been a learning curve for myself, but we've got through it, made it to our 3 days off. We're gonna go do our $5 free play. I know we got some pork chops in the crock pot. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. It's a little difficult to do weekly vlogs. I can only imagine doing daily vlogs, especially working full time at Amazon, but we're fighting through it. We are working on episode 13. It's getting crazy. It's getting crazy. Every week we're making a new episode. I hope you guys are enjoying. It's getting quite a bit of views on the videos. Big shout out to all the new subscribers. We soared past 4,100 subscribers. Next goal, 5,000. But let's get going. I might throw a 20 in a Buffalo machine on my own. We'll see what happens. But let's get going. Let's start this day. Happy Sunday, everyone. This is the Life of JT Production. I have to run into the bank, get some cash for the sports bets, and then I think we are going to go to the 99-cent store, get some sides. We don't have any sides for our pork chops, and then some breakfast food for tomorrow, and then we're gonna get actual groceries tomorrow. Bonehead mistake to start off the day. I left the damn sports bets on the counter at home, so I literally got to go in the 99-cent store and then run back home, get the damn sports bets, because I did a lot of baseball ones and I did a lot of research on the pitchers and everything like that, which I don't know if the 99-cent store is even open. It looks pretty deserted in there. Winning $12 on the free play. I got 4 flags on Gold Century. I threw 20 in this Buffalo and gone immediately. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep playing this. I have 20 more dollars. I'm just doing 40 bucks. That's it, and I'm heading out. That ended like shit. Started off great. Put in the $5 free play. Got a bonus. Won like $12.85 on the free play. Then I decided to go to Buffalo. Bright idea, Buffalo. I had 40 extra dollars. I brought 40 extra bucks. I'm like, all right. So I put in 20, lost that. I'm like, The second 20 always hits. Nope, same result. I literally got down to 20 cents on both $20 bills and lost 40. So I end up leaving down 28 bucks because I won 12 bucks on the free play. So you can't even make this shit up. But anyways, we're gonna go grab some breakfast and probably run in the store and get some sides and stuff for dinner tonight. And I got a lot of sports bets though, so fingers crossed we hit a sports bet. I do my 6 baseball parlay bets. 3 of them get creamed right off the bat. I'm like, all right, whatever, it's all good. $60 worth of bets, not much. All right, so then this ticket comes up. Padres and Braves, they hit 10 runs total, over 8. Okay, hit that one. Orioles and Tigers was under 7.5. It was like 6 total runs. Okay. Brewers and Marlins, over 7.5. Okay, got that one. Mariners and Mets, over 7.5. Okay, got that one. And then this crazy game comes up. Astros and Nationals. So check this out. It's 7-0 Astros in the 9th inning. I said under 8 with an even bet. I'm like, okay. So 8 is the total runs. Next thing you know, Astros hit a home run. 8-0. It's tied. Under 8 even. Final score 8-0 Astros. And I'm looking up the rules. I'm like, did I hit the ticket? Did I not hit the ticket? It says under, but it's 8-8. So it should be an even bet. So it should be a push. It's a 5-team parlay. I'm pretty sure I hit this ticket. It's $292. I know it'll be less because it pushes it into a 14 parlay. We're gonna go to the casino right now and find out. I'm gonna let you guys know what it is. Did I win? Was it a push on that game? And what was the total winnings? But I'm pretty sure I hit this ticket. Let's go to the casino right now. I did hit the ticket, but it was only $146. So I don't know why it dropped so much on one game. That's insane. Like the whole ticket was $292. That one game was a tie. It dropped it all the way down to $146. I thought it would be at least $200. It is what it is. But I put 20 in a Dragon League game. You guys seen that? I ended up winning like $5 on that game or something like that. But I cashed out. I left. So $150 from there, which is a $140 win on that ticket. I did lose 3 other tickets, so we're still up like 90 bucks or somewhere around there. So not too bad. We do have one more ticket left, so fingers crossed we hit that, but we'll take it. A win is a win. We have one ticket left for 130. It's kind of going up and down. It's an over and under ticket. The Giants play later on that ticket, so hopefully we hit the other 3 games. It's a 4-teamer, small, 130. But I was a little mad. That one ticket was $10 to win $292. It was a push on one game, and it dropped it to half. So instead of winning at least $200, it was only $146, which I'm not complaining because it's a win. Because we put up $60 for sports bets and cashed out for $146 so far. So we're up $86 for the week, but I'm like, geez, really? It should have been at least $200. But right now I am at my desk booking a client order, my first client's order. The business has taken a while to get off the ground, but I did get a client order, so we're gonna book everything for the client that needs to be booked. And we're gonna keep moving along with this business. It might take a whole year to get it really established, but that's what we're here for. We're here to get it going. And eventually, hopefully one day I don't have to work at Amazon, but for now, we're gonna do both. And we're gonna continue to make weekly vlogs, and I'm a sports bet. Hopefully we hit some tickets, but we're up for baseball this year so far. Not a lot, like 50 bucks the whole season, but we're up money, so a win is a win. But let's get going on this client's order. We got some pork chops in the crock pot, so that's gonna be ready in the next probably hour and a half. Just a chill day on a Sunday in Las Vegas. We only end up cashing one ticket, which is fine because we still made an $86.20 profit. My first client, we got everything booked for that. We just got to email some receipts over. That's gonna be the end of Sunday, May 15th. Thank you guys for watching. Much love, much respect to everybody out there. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. We got some good content coming this summer. And we have some special guests coming in like 3 weeks. So that should be some cool vlogs. I know we got some stuff planned when our special guests get here. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Love you. And we'll see you next time. Next time on The Life of JT. My luck, the freaking kiosk breaks at the sports book.